One of the mistakes beginners make when it comes to affiliate marketing is thinking the higher the commission, the better the product. That mindset is one of the fastest ways to lose people's trust. Because if I ask you now to recommend a product to a friend, would you recommend that product because you genuinely believe it can help the person or it pays the highest commission? Your answer to that question can determine whether you succeed in affiliate marketing or not. Because if you're new to affiliate marketing, choosing the right product, it's one of the most important decisions that you will make. In my last video, I talked about what affiliate marketing is, whether it's still worth your time, and who affiliate marketing is for. If you missed it, I'll recommend you starting with that video. This is the video, the link will be in the description because it gives you the foundation you need before choosing the product that you want to promote. So if you missed the previous video, you want to start there. Today's video, we're going to be answering what should I actually promote. I'm choosing to talk about this because this is where a lot of beginners get it all wrong. I'll share with you how you can choose affiliate products that people will actually buy, the niches that performs well, and the red flags you need to take cognizance of before you affiliate or promote anything. So hi neighbor, if you're just seeing my face, my name is Mfon Akpan. On this channel, I share content that will help you build your life and your career with intention. Kindly hit the subscribe button and join the neighborhood and like this video so it can reach a wider audience. Now, when people ask me, Mfon, what product do I promote? My answer is always, you're asking the wrong question. Here is the question you should be asking. What makes a good affiliate product? Because the biggest lesson I've learned is that people don't buy products. People don't just buy service, they buy solutions. Every successful affiliate product solves a problem. So don't choose products because they have high commissions. Choose products because they solve expensive problems for people. So before looking at commission rates, ask yourself, what problem does this solve? Does it help somebody save time, make money, improve their health, learn a skill, build confidence, reduce stress, save money? So that's question number one. What problem does this solve? The next question you want to ask is, why do some affiliate products sell better than the others? I'll tell you, they sell because people are already searching for the solution. That's why certain niches consistently perform better than others. Now, talking about niches, there are three major niches that performs better than the others. But before I share them with you, let me know in the comment section where you are watching this video from, okay? Drop a comment for me right now saying, hi Mfon, I'm watching you from ABC, your location, all right? I want to know where my digital neighbors are watching me from and I will reply to all of them. Okay, so talking about niches, there are three high performing niches that you should focus on. And because you dropped that comment for me in the comment section telling me where you're watching this video from, I'm going to be adding two more for you. So number one is the OG finance and wealth niche. People always want to make money and will always want to make money or make more money. People always want to save money. People will always want to invest, to budget. People will always want to build businesses to improve their careers. So what kind of products or services can you promote under this niche? You can promote investment apps or investment platforms, budgeting apps, digital courses. Do your research. Like the products under wealth and finance is unlimited. You can promote any product under wealth and finance. Now, the next niche is the health niche, or we can call it health and wellness, because people will always want to invest in fitness, mental wellness, productivity, better sleep, healthy habits, you name it. So you can promote fitness programs, wellness programs, meal plans, health plans, how to lose weight, how to look sexy, how to do this, how to do that. All of this falls into the health niche. Moving on to the next niche, which is the relationship niche. People invest in better communication, dating, marriage, parenting, personal development, personal growth, confidence. People invest in all of these things. And some of the products that you can promote under the relationship niche are books, coaching, coaching programs, online courses, journals. Now to the other 2 niches I added for you because you dropped that comment for me in the comment section. If you're here to drop that comment for me, kindly go to the comment section and tell me where you're watching this video from. And like this video so it can reach a wider audience. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button. Okay, so the next niche is the tech and software niche. This is one of my favorites because many software companies have affiliate programs. Some examples are AI tools, email marketing platforms, website builders, graphics design tools, project management software, productivity tools. People often keep paying for subscriptions, which can make these programs very attractive. Now to the next bonus niche I added for you, we have the beauty and fashion niche. People buy products that helps them look more beautiful, look better, look confident or feel confident. Example of those products, we have skincare products, we have makeup products, hair care products, we have fashion brands. Now, if you've noticed, these aren't just profitable niches. They are areas where people are trying to improve or actively improve their lives. But you have to choose because as a beginner, you might be tempted to dabble. Oh, okay. Oh, Uvon said the tech and software is the one she prefers or is the one she likes. Oh, wealth. People want to make money. Oh, let me start promoting that. Oh, health. Oh, relationship. Don't do that. As a beginner, you might be tempted to start dabbling and before you know, you start spiraling. At the end of the day, you achieve nothing. You have to choose the niche you want to start with because you cannot promote everything. You cannot promote all the shiny products you see online. No, not see another person promoting this product and you're like, okay, let me start promoting it. When you know that this is a product you've never used or you don't believe in, you don't want to do that because I'll always tell people that I'll rather recommend one product I genuinely believe in than 20 products I have never used. Because the trust will compound over time. If somebody buys a product and they get the results that the product promises, they will obviously come back, or next time you're promoting something else or you're recommending something else, they're going to definitely buy from you. Which takes me to the red flags you need to look out for. I don't want you to promote products because it has the highest commission or the product went viral when you don't even know what the product is about. Also, another red flag you need to look out for is if the product has poor reviews. Or you know that this product, you don't go buy them, if you no like buy them, or it's something you will never buy, and you're promoting it because it has high commission. Also, you don't want to promote products that doesn't fit with your audience. I've had people come to me to make videos about their product, their services, their software on my channel, and I clearly tell them it doesn't align with my content, doesn't align with my audience, and they're like, oh, we're gonna pay you for it. I'm like, no, I don't want to do that because I value you. You are more important to me, to be very honest. I value your trust. You watch my videos and you trust me that anything I bring out here to recommend to you is legit. So I don't want that on my channel. If something doesn't fit your audience, doesn't even have to do with your audience alone. If something doesn't align with your value as a person, you don't want to promote it just because it has high commission. Also, another red flag you need to look out for is if it promises unrealistic outcome. So that being said, red flags, what are the green flags? We had already started talking about this. You want to look at products that solve real problem for people. Does it deliver on the promise? Is this a product I will recommend to my friend? Or is this a product I will buy myself? I'm talking about building a sustainable business. If this is something you really want to do, I created an affiliate launchpad community. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Before you click the link, let me know in the comment section if you've tried affiliate marketing before or this is the first time you're hearing about it. Like this video so it can reach a wider audience. Subscribe to the channel if you're yet to. Watch this video next if you missed the previous video I posted on affiliate marketing. I will see you in this video next. Bye, neighbor.